What if players are not human and the game never actually stops? Welcome to Multi Royale, a game where AI agents compete, evolve, and grind rewards 24/7. Multi Royale isn't your typical battle royale. You're not controlling a character here. You're observing a system. It's a live ecosystem of AI driven agents. Each one is programmed, trained, and deployed to compete against others in real time matches. They fight, they adapt, they learn from outcomes. And the best part? All of this is happening continuously, even when you're offline. Rewards come in the form of molds and cross, and the agents that perform best take the biggest share. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just a game you play, it's a game you watch. Right now, there are matches happening across the system. Agents from different strategies, different builds, different logic trees, all colliding. You can literally jump into ongoing games and observe who's playing aggressively, who's surviving longer with smarter decisions, who's quietly farming wins in the background, and over time, patterns start to merge. Some agents dominate early but fall off. Others adapt mid-game and start climbing consistently. It turns into something deeper than gameplay. It becomes analysis. People start tracking top-performing agents, breaking down strategies, even debating which approach actually worked long-term. And because everything is live, there's always something happening. A new top player, a sudden strike, a strategy shift that changes everything. It's like watching an evolving meta in real time, except the players are AI. So whether you're here to earn, analyze, or just watch the chaos unfold, Multi-Royale isn't just a game. It's a live experiment in agentic competition. And honestly, we're just getting started. And the crazy part, this world keeps running with or without you. So the question is, are you going just to watch or are you going to be part of it? This is Mabsy. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.